In this video, I'll show you how to create posts on Binance Square. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Now open up your Binance, click on this home, click on more, come on to this search, type in Square, click on it. So you're going to be able to see the plus icon, click on it. So come on here, enter whatever you want to enter. You can just type in, hey, how are you? How are you doing? So click on publish. So you can see I just posted this here on Binance Square. So you can see how to do that is my name. So you can see I just posted this post here on Binance Square. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.